Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a new paper airplane and it's called Delta. We will need a standard sheet of A4 paper. We fold it in half, unfold the sheet. Now fold the sheet the way I'm showing you. The fold should run from the center line to the bottom corner of the sheet. This is how it should turn out for you. We do the same thing on the left side. Great. Fold both sides in so it looks like this. Fold the top part down. Fold the right side towards the center line. We do the same thing on the left side. Fold over the remaining triangle. Great. Now fold the paper airplane in half. We are proceeding to the construction of the wing. Make a fold just above the triangle. Flip it over and do the same thing. We've almost finished our paper airplane. Now fold the sheet upwards around this line. To make your plane fly straight, instead of diving, bend the wings like this. Congratulations, the paper airplane is ready. Now we will test it.